Hi everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella. You know, belly fat is one of the most stubborn types of body fat, especially after pregnancy. And this is why we need to equip ourselves with tools in form of knowledge that help us fight against it. I mean, we need to show it who is the boss. And today, I will be sharing the flat tummy Chinese massage technique for losing belly fat. I personally love this technique not only because I believe it works to help lose belly fat, but it also helps me relieve any digestive issues. And having proper digestion is essential in body detox or cleansing, which is a core principle in maintaining ideal weight and health. This is because detoxifying the body to promote toxin elimination is essential for losing unwanted fat. Fats act as a trap for toxins that get into the body from the environment and food we eat. So if you have toxin buildup, the body will be reluctant to lose body fat as a mechanism of protection against the toxins. According to Dr. Chang, who practices both Western and Chinese medicine, performing a 2-minute massage technique provides a form of internal exercise that cleanses and detoxifies to melt away fat in a way that is more different from the typical Western external abdominal exercises. While exercises are a great way to firm up your abdominal muscles, they may not do anything about the layer of fat that sits on top of them. This is why cardio is very important. Moving on to how to perform the abdominal massage, it is best to perform the massage twice a day, before breakfast and before going to bed. So number 1, lie flat on your back on a firm surface. Then warm up your hands by rubbing them together for about 15 seconds until they feel hot. Place one hand flat on your belly button. Begin rubbing in small circles around your belly button in a clockwise direction, gradually widening the circles using a firm pressure. Each circle should take about 1 to 2 seconds. Focus on heat, which is building up in your abdominal region as you rub, and then continue for 2 minutes, about 40 to 50 circles. Be sure to keep your stomach warm as you perform the exercise. You may see results within a week of consistency. The additional benefits of performing this massage may include: number 1, relieves constipation and other digestive issues like bloating. Number 2, promotes proper functioning of organs in the abdominal region. Number 3, it detoxifies the intestines and promotes proper circulation in the abdominal region. Number 4, it relieves cramps and other PMS symptoms. And lastly, it may relieve stress. Precautions to take before performing this massage: do not perform this massage immediately after a heavy meal. Wait for at least 2 hours or more after meals. If you have a hernia, if you are pregnant, if you have high blood pressure, if you have any issues with the female organs, including the ovaries, uterus, fallopian tubes, and the bladder, if you have kidney, bladder, or gallbladder stones, if you have stomach or intestinal ulcers, if you have any organ bleeding, and if you are not sure if the massage is right for you, consult with your healthcare provider first. Well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button or leave me a comment if you have any questions, and share this video with your friends on social media. Let's also connect on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. Subscribe for more if you have not yet, and hit the bell button for notifications. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.